Hi everyone, I'm Diane. I'm with the Smart Infrastructure group here at Siemens. I'm a recruiter for one of the busiest growth markets in the country, Boston. And right now we're ramping up our efforts to hire experienced fire alarm and security systems technicians to install and service prominent commercial properties all over the greater Boston area. What's fantastic about these positions is that while our office is located in Canton, if you live in the areas north or west of Boston, that's ideal. You don't have to commute to Canton every day. And what's also important to note is that during these unusual times of COVID-19, we've survived here at Siemens without any layoffs or pay cuts. And we're actually looking forward to growing our Boston team here in the very near future. Ideally, we're looking for people with a Massachusetts Class D electrical license for our fire team. But even if you don't have that and you're working on it, come talk to us. I've included the link to our careers website in the description below this video on YouTube, so you can take a look yourself at Siemens and see what we have to offer. Thanks for watching. We're looking forward to talking with you.